Hey! Today I will show you how you can prepare the best latte at home. All you need is a coffee machine of any type, a super cute glass or mug, and a French press with which we will foam the milk. You can also use an electric mixer, but with the French press, I think the foam is much fluffier. The first step is to extract 2 shots of espresso, 60 milliliters. Meanwhile, we will heat 400 milliliters of milk in a kettle. After extracting the coffee, we will now make the milk foam exactly as shown here. I will add a little vanilla syrup, but you can use any other type of sweetener. And now we will pour the coffee over the milk and it's ready. Look what dense foam we have here. Super delicious. Thanks for watching, and for more videos about coffee and other drinks, don't forget to subscribe.